walk out together and walk back in. Over the fence and into the LDN. Claps in chorus. Expectation. Hope. Tradition. A round of applause. A place of victory. A 2-week hometown holiday. It's in the air. Sound of the city.
The game commences with love. Love all. 15, 30, 40. Hold your serve, hold your nerve. Feet on the line. Balls in your court. Return it where it came from. And the ball goes back and forth.
Chalk dust. Proud jeers. Strawberries and cream.
The point won and lost. Ha-ha, Cliff. Your serve. Inside the lines. Gleaming white on grass.
The green and purple. Man. Man. Play hall. Rain falls. Covers on. We've seen it all before.
Lover's advantage. Nobody's fault. Juice. Advantage you. Game, sit and match us.
Us. Us. Us. Us.
For the love of the game.
We walk out together and walk back in.
Beyond the baseline.
Over the fence and into the LDN. A city sighs together.
Claps and chorus.
Rallies
behind our own. Expectation.
Hope. Tradition. A round of applause. A place of victory. We walk out together and walk back in. It's in the air. Sound of the city. We walk out together and